I'm here with Werner Buckman, lead chemist for Legend Brands products, and we're here to talk about our brand new all-fiber powdered acid rinse. Explain to me a little bit about what you've come up with.
We're going to give you a little demonstration here. So this represents 2 ounces of this product into 1 gallon of water. This is, so you can see, it's what's called our Hydra-coating Technology that allows the product to dissolve very fast. So all these bubbles that you see is part of the process to dissolve the product, right? And this is cold to hard water. It's already almost completely dissolved, right? There's a tiny little bit in the bottom. And what's interesting about this is that this acid powder rinse can be diluted to extremes. So let's say we're going to put a lot more in solution. And you can see something interesting. Again, that's the type of action that we wanted to produce. And with the Hydra-coating technology, you can see that the product cannot harden at the bottom. So even if you don't mix it, it will dissolve completely. You can see that there's a little in the bottom, but when I move the beaker, everything moves with it. So this coating process prevents the salt from finding each other and turning to a rock. And it causes the product to dissolve much faster. We set up the pH of this product to be 4.5 pH. So you can make your dilution of 1.5 pounds per 5 gallons, run through your truck mount. Because of the pH and the nature of this product, no corrosion will occur in your equipment. And another interesting thing is that you know that when you put surfactants, detergents in solution, they tend to get slippery, right? And you saw how much we put it. So if I wet my fingers, you would still get that. There's no stickiness. So this product will rinse freely from fibers, easily, has no affinity for the fiber itself, only to what it wants to neutralize.
So a truly free rinsing.
It's a truly free rinsing product. Even if you leave on the carpet, even at this concentration, the carpet will stay soft. It's an interesting chemistry. And you can see that as the bubbles are going out, just a tiny little bit at the bottom. So ask your distributor about this product, because we believe that it's going to be another product from Legend Brands that's going to revolutionize this industry.